Approaching White Rock is a delightful sensory experience. A winding road through the forest leads to a gravel path accessible only by foot, encouraging a slower, more immersive connection with nature. The cabin's silhouette appears both imposing and gracefully perched atop a steep rocky incline. Set amidst a field of reddish soil, rock, and the ever-changing colors of the leaves, the peculiar structure seems as if it has always been there. Its Corten cladding roots the building to the site and surrounding context, its warm hue reminiscent of the reddish hematite stain that coats quartzite fractures found in the region. Rainwater is captured and stored for irrigation, while existing trees offer shelter from the summer sun. Inspired by traditional hunting cabins and duck blinds, the architectural design features a large Corten steel volume supported by seemingly slender legs. A smaller Corten entry volume is recessed below, emerging from the expansive rock beneath, anchoring the structure to the site. White Rock's austere exterior contrasts sharply with its interior. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by an intimate, dimly lit space. A massive window, encased in a cantilevered Corten steel frame, embraces the southeast corner, while raw steel benches provide the perfect spot to take in the stunning views. White Rock was designed as a retreat, offering an opportunity for solitude high above the valley floor, with captivating views above the tree line. It is a place to disconnect and rest, providing friends, colleagues, and families with an environment and opportunity for improved mental health. The west wall houses a sleek kitchen composed of stainless steel shelves and cabinetry. Smoked oak interiors, complemented by raw steel shelving and industrial wall-mounted light fixtures, create a calming atmosphere. A wood-burning fireplace anchors the east wall, surrounded by timeless furniture. Nothing is accidental, and White Rock surprises at every turn. The bedrooms are both minimalist and raw, entirely lined in smoked oak with raw steel shelving and industrial wall-mounted light fixtures. large windows provide natural light and selective views of the forest. The bathroom is restrained, lined with gray terracotta tiles and simple stainless steel fixtures. A full wall of glass blurs the line between interior and exterior, creating the illusion of showering completely immersed in the surrounding forest. A Corten steel hatch provides access to the rooftop, offering a secluded haven for dining and resting among a collection of Japanese maple trees with views across the tree canopy of the Gaspereau Valley below. White rock is a tribute to both the harmony between architecture and nature and their contrasts, thoughtfully crafted to evoke joy and intrigue.